Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to trim a bonsai or a bonsai tree or plant. There's so many different types of plants that make bonsais. The word bonsai means a tray with a plant or a tree. A bonsai is any plant that's grown into a tray. And so when you're trimming it, it just depends on what type of look that you want, and that will dictate how you trim it. But an easy rule of thumb is to always trim in groups of 3. So if there's 3 branches, you want to trim up to the 3rd branch and leave 3 little branches together, because most of bonsai philosophy is based on the 3. And when you use clippers, make sure that you have clippers that are sharp on both blades, not just one blade, because that'll make a sharper cut. And there's a lot of people that swear don't even use clippers. The best way to actually trim your bonsai is to hold the branch with one finger and twist the part that you want off with the other, with your hand, and actually twist it off. And then that way it won't have such a sharp cut and it won't do so much damage to the tree. And a good rule of thumb is in the spring you want to trim your foliage. So if it's real lanky and you want to trim it, or you want to use your copper wires and actually train it to go in different directions, the spring is the time to do that, because then you'll have a new growth. Whereas in the fall and the winter, you don't want to trim any of the foliage. You just want to trim the wood. So if there's dead wood, or if there's a root, or if there's something that doesn't look good at that point, or you want to thin it out a bit, try not to cut the foliage, just the wood. So by following the rule of the foliage in the spring and the wood in the fall and winter, you can create a beautiful bonsai in any way that you want.